Good morning.
I'm good, thanks for asking. What about you? Which part? I am from east part of India. My state name is Odisha. What about you? Okay, Tamil Nadu. Nice to meet you. What do you do? Are you a student or are you working? Wow, how long have you been working in there? Okay, are you working in your state, Tamil Nadu, or are you working in different state or country? Okay, what type of product they are manufacturing? Mhm. Okay, then I think it is a big manufacturing company, right? Then that is a Hyundai showroom demand right now, right? And Hyundai car are popular within India, right? Hyundai logo and that pattern famous in India. Wow, then you working. Then what's your qualification? BTech in which stream? Which stream? Okay. Then did you get that job through campus selection or how did you get? Or did you appear any interview? Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Right, because you have a degree, right? And they need this kind of means employee, right? Like you, because BTech student they work in that kind of manufacturing company. You people help them directly grow their company, right? Their business. How? Right, right, right. Because one company require different professional people inside their company, right? Not only BTech or kind of all type of employee required in their company because they have a roadmap, right? Your company provide accommodation, everything. Okay, they only provide salary, right? Right, right, right. Okay, they provide only food, right? Only lunch and breakfast, this kind of, or dinner also. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Right, right. Then how many shift each going on there? How many shift? Three shift. Okay, what time? Okay, and who goes to night shift? Then what time they go and what time they come back? Means return from that company. 9 to 6. Okay, and morning shift. Okay, then after that afternoon shift 2 to 9, right? Okay. Then it is any kind of means digital signature in there? How do you entry in your company? Biometrics. Hmm. Otherwise, if you entry, then biometry they check what time you entry and what time you means come back from your office, right? Okay. Do you wanna change your profession or do you like that profession? Right, right. Not I am not like I'm not telling like or dislike because everyone need salary and means this kind of means amount, right? And in this day, no one can get job according to their profession, their means education, qualification, right? Everyone they need only how to after completing graduation we need any kind of job and not a private or government because we get salary then it is a better for us, right? And yeah, do you have any dress code in your your company provide any dress code? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Right, right, right. Hmm. Right. Body. Yeah, right, right. Hmm. Because they provide a safety inside, right? Then I think diploma student, ITA student also they get that job, right? Inside. Hmm. Right, right. Because they are a junior and they have a less position, but you people together having food or something and you interact with them as well, right? Yeah, within 5 years, did you get any promotion? Okay. Okay. Then how many time after how many years once again you will get promotion? 1 year, right? After 3 years you people get promotion, I think so. Right, right. Because you people skill also they evaluate, right? And they evaluate also education, qualification. They have focus around everything, right? How many days? Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Right, right. Because right. Okay. They evaluate your attitude, behavior, communication, how you treat the customer and people, or that kind of, right? Okay. Then how after how many days do you attend any meeting, higher authority meeting or something, or that company means take any orientation program? Do you attend that kind? Mm-hmm. 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 Right. Right, right. You are absolutely right because how much important